Happy New Year. Today I'm making chocolate chip cookies. Homemade cookies in 20 minutes, right from the Betty Crocker bag. It says margarine or butter and an egg. Just reading the package here. Do not eat the raw dough. Preheat the oven, 375. Okay. Open the package. I'm going to stir that. I got either butter or margarine, whatever one you want to use. So I'm going to crack an egg and I'm going to whip it. Okay, add the contents of the package. I'm going to start it very slow. I added 2 more tablespoons of butter so it could make a little bit moister. And that's about it. On the back of the package, it has you can make bigger cookies. That's what I'm going to do. 3 tablespoons of batter, 2 inches apart. And it makes about 12 cookies. So, 3 tablespoons. That's what it say, 3? Yeah, 3 tablespoons. That's got to be 2. There's the cookie sheet, that's 2. It's got to be 3. That's pretty big. I'm on the 12th cookie. That one's kind of small, so I might have to take some from another one because I want to let these cook evenly. This one here is kind of big, so see, some of them's got lots of chocolate chips and other ones don't, so I'll just put some from that one to that one. This one's kind of big. Okay. That's alright. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Okay. Oven's ready to go. Put it in the oven. Turned on the fan again, and it says to bake for 17 to 19 minutes at 325. So I'm going to have to lower the temperature of the oven. The 375 is for smaller cookies. 350 or 325 in a non-stick pan. That's what it is. That's a non-stick pan, so 325. And I guess if you got a stick pan, 350. We're at the 15-minute mark. So, let's see what they're like. According to the package, only 2 minutes to go, so let's have a look. I'll do this quick. A couple more minutes. The edges want to be brown. Okay, let's see if I can. Let's see if they're done on this side. Ooh, nice and brown there. I bet you they're hot. Try a little piece. Ooh, look at chocolate chips. Happy New Year. What I did off camera, when I mixed these, I went by the package, and they're kind of sweet. So what I did was I put a little bit of flour in this mix, maybe about 3 tablespoons of flour, just to cut the sweetness down, and that's why I added a little bit more margin to it.